speed bridge is a soft tissue fixation device that combines fully threaded swivel lock anchors with fiber tape. Your surgeon may use the speed bridge for repair of a rotator cuff tear. The rotator cuff is what holds your humerus, upper arm bone, in the shoulder socket and helps to lift and rotate your arm. It is made up of 4 muscles that come together to form the rotator cuff around the head of the humerus, which fits into your shoulder socket, glenoid. First, the surgeon prepares the rotator cuff and humerus for the insertion of the first bone anchor, called a swivel lock, by punching a bone socket. The swivel lock is available with a ready-to-use fiber tape loop. The surgeon inserts the swivel lock anchor into the bone and releases the fiber tape loop. The fast-pass scorpion is used to pass the fiber tape through the rotator cuff and retrieve it for use later. The step is repeated for the second anchor. The fiber tape loop is trimmed at the splice to separate the tails. The surgeon retrieves one fiber tape tail from each of the anchors and preloads the fiber tape tails into another swivel lock anchor. The surgeon then prepares the bone socket and inserts the biocomposite swivel lock anchor. Finally, if there is a loose end of rotator cuff, it can be secured with a fiber link and the 2 remaining fiber tape tails, with a 4th and final swivel lock anchor. This completes the speed bridge repair